Good morning guys. So ngayon dadalawin natin ang Wheeltech Big Bike Calasiao. Ayan. Dito naman tayo sa may Suzuki. Balita ako may ano dyan eh, may magandang dilag dyan eh, sa Suzuki. Gusto kong makita ulit eh, kasi hindi ko pa siya na kakausap ng halapitan. Tapos mayroong bagong GSX6R 750cc inline 4. Tingnan natin kung kung mayroong pagkakaiba dun sa 2021 na GSX 750. Ito 2022 model daw ito. Lapit lang kasi ito eh. Kaya saglit lang ang biyahe.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
You know, nagsasayaw si Ma'am, oh. Oh. Tapos ka na, Ma'am? Tapos ka na?
Okay lang ba?
Ha?
Okay lang ako dito.
Oo. Ayan. Ayan si Ma'am. Sales agent ba?
Sales executive.
Sales executive ng
Big Bikes Pangasinan.
yan, Big Bikes Pangasinan dito sa Suzuki. So, Ma'am, anong pangalan mo, Ma'am?
My name is Angelica
Angelica Dakasin.
Suzuki Big Bikes Pangasinan.
Ay, akala ko ikaw si ano, Joanna.
Anong Joanna?
Aray ko.
Joanna kita.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihan. Wala nang ninanais, di kaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Magandang dilag.
Ilan taon ka na, Ma'am?
I'm 24 years old.
Ah, 24.
Kung hahanapin niyo ako, nandito lang po ako sa Suzuki in front of Robinson, Calasiao.
Ayan, yan yung Robinson, oh. Ba't parang...
Sa February 14, pwede niyo akong pasyalan dito.
Ayun, so yan, oh, naghahanap ng kadate si Ma'am. Parang 24 ka na, ba't parang 18 lang?
Galing ha?
Uy, over yan!
Oo.
Parang hindi ko alam yan.
Parang itinadhana ka sa akin.
Bakit kakatingin? Dahil kakatawasin na. Yung mga mata. Susundan sa magpunta.
Di ba guys, parang itinadhana siya sa akin kasi wala siyang kadate eh. Oo.
Wala.
Oh, wala daw siyang kadate. Ayan.
Give your meat a good old rub.
Yeah, boy, oh, me. Yeah, boy. A few moments later.
Ma'am, pwede kong malaman yung yung Facebook mo para sasama ko sa link sa description below.
Angelica the Fasin, at saka kung hindi nyo naman mahanap, magpunta na lang kayo sa page ng Suzuki Big Bikes Pangasinan. Makikita nyo doon yung pangalan ko. Lagi din naman ako nagpo-post ng mga about sa motor, tapos mga video, yung specs ng motor.
Okay. Sandali Kaya mabuksan
Bakit?
Sira ata cellphone ko.
Bakit sira?
Kailan ata yung number mo?
Calling card. Every
Okay.
time na may magbi-visit dito, binibigyan ko sila ng details
Okay.
para pag sakaling mag-inquire sila, PM lang nila ako.
Ayun guys, punta lang kayo dito hanapin niyo si Ma'am Angelica. Ayan. Pangalan pa lang Angel.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'm
5 minutes later.
Okay, guys, uwi na tayo at tapos na tayo mag-vlog dito sa Okay, ma'am. Last question, ma'am. Pwede ba kita hatid sa inyo?
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha Kapal na mukha mo!
Ayun ayun
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
Okay. So, sana nakatulong ako ngayon sa mga naghahanap ng mga big bikes dyan. At sa lahat ng mga ka-Yorzky natin dyan, mga idol natin. Ride safe. God bless. Ciao.